Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to easily add more products to your already made order. So let's say you've just made an order and you forgot to add a couple of products. Now I'm going to show you how to easily add these products so you can save on shipping and have it faster in your doorstep. Now the first step, of course, is opening up your preferred browser, head to TEMU.com and sign into your existing account in the top right corner. Now from there we head inside the orders and the accounts, as you can see right here, and we'll look for the order we've just made. Now this is the order that we've just made, and as you can see it will be delivered on my doorstep in 4 to 9 business days. But let's say I want to add a product to this item. Now all I have to do to this order, all I have to do is go to add more items to this order. Now from here we see our already existed order. Now from here we scroll all the way down until we find the you can add more items to ship with this order. Now you can only do this within 6 hours, as you can see. Now all you have to do is simply scroll down and find the orders you would like. Now if it isn't here, you simply go down to the search bar and type it in and find it through there. Now from there you can ship all your wanted items into one package, and it saves you a lot of hassle and waiting time. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, leave them in the comments down below. Please subscribe if this content has helped you. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.